kilala na may umitirang na batas upang pagpanagutin ng suspect sa kanyang ginawang krimen. Ito bilang arrest receipt designs ng pulis ng Pilipinas na sa Pilipino.
Dali na pahamak ito yun ang sumasun natin yung po naman sa pamamanin. Isasok na naman sa Tacloban, detalye naman kami nag-alay-alay, Aris Bertito. Ay pag-agad yun eh. Pagkakaroon ng isang press conference para sa opisyal ng Pilipinas na pagkakang
in the value secret
Ladies and gentlemen, DWRB, Radio Veritas Bainbon. DWRB is owned and managed by the Diocese of Bainbon under the franchise of Radio Veritas Global Broadcasting System and Company. DWRB is a proud and active member of the Chadona Reform Network, CNN, and the National Association of Broadcasters, KNP. DWRB Radio Veritas Bainbon operates under the authority of National Telecommunications Commission, NTC, with permit number PSB 1029-93 and classified as commercial radio station. DWRB signs on at 5 o'clock in the morning and signs off at 10 o'clock in the evening on the frequency 1233 kilohertz medium wave with a power of 10,000 watts. The studio transmitter and antenna are located at Maharlika Highway, Barangay Loyan, Bainbon, Nueva Vizcaya, Republic of the Philippines. This station is maintained and operated by the following operators and technicians, licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Mr. Orlando R. Halorino, with license number 92-1 PNTR-308. Mr. James M. Halorina, with license number 18-1PII-27109. This is Radio Veritas Bainbon. Now, signing off.